Smart travel is not defined by the destination alone. It's about making every moment of the journey effortless and rewarding. So, do you want to make your trips easier, smarter, and more enjoyable? In today's video, we'll share the 5 best gadgets for travel that every traveler should have for their next trip. From convenience to safety, these gadgets will take your travel experience to the next level. Let's get started. Imagine your car breaks down on a dark road at night, with nobody around to help, or you have to do an urgent repair with holding a flashlight in one hand, while working can be really frustrating, right? In this situation, you need hands-free powerful light. The smart solution for those problems is the Rechargeable LED Work Light with magnetic base, a powerful, hands-free lighting gadget that's perfect for every situation. This light provides bright and clear visibility with 360 degrees adjustable design. You get multi-angle and stable illumination for any direction with strong magnetic base. Lets you attach it to a car bonnet, workshop tools, or any metal surface, so you can work hands-free with ease. With its built-in rechargeable battery, you can easily charge it using a USB cable. No more wasting money or time on replacing batteries. You also get 5 lighting modes: high brightness, medium brightness, front light, plus 2 red alert modes. With a simple long press, you can switch to the red alert mode, perfect for emergencies. So whether it's garage repair, camping, barbecue, reading, hiking, or a roadside emergency, the rechargeable LED work light with magnetic base is the perfect lighting solution for every situation. Long drives can quickly turn into a mess, phones sliding around, cups spilling, and no proper place to keep your essentials. It's distracting, uncomfortable, and honestly, a safety risk. This is the center console armrest organizer with wireless charging phone holder and cup holders. It gives you extra storage space, keeps your drink stable, and even wirelessly charges your phone while you drive. Sleek, practical, and super convenient, it transforms your car into an organized, clutter-free space. So if you want comfort, organization, and hassle-free charging on every ride, this is the upgrade your car needs. Check the link in the description and make your drives smarter today. Accidents and unexpected moments on the road can happen anytime. And the biggest challenge is, there's often no clear evidence of what really happened. Without proof, you're the one left paying the price. That's where this F7NP4K per 2.5K Full HD dash cam comes in, your ultimate driving companion. Equipped with dual front and rear recording, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, advanced night vision, WDR technology for perfect exposure, and 24-hour parking mode, it captures every moment with stunning clarity. With loop recording, a G sensor for automatic collision detection, and an included 32 GB memory card, it delivers complete, round-the-clock protection. More than just a camera, this dash cam is your trusted safeguard on every drive. This is the Smart Car Air Freshener Diffuser with Starry Sky projection. It not only fills your car with a fresh and soothing fragrance, also projects a magical starry sky onto the roof. It comes with 3 adjustable spray modes: mild, strong, and continuous, so you can set the fragrance to match your mood. With 7 color atmosphere lights and a starry sky projector that sync with your music, just plug in and enjoy a safe, natural, and non-irritating fragrance. Completely secure for kids and family. So say goodbye to boring drives and enjoy a fresh, stylish, and luxurious experience with the Smart Car Air Freshener Diffuser. Smart technology, compact design, and next-level vibes, all in one. Planning a road trip with family or friends sounds exciting, but the real struggle begins when it's time to pack. The trunk fills up in minutes, bags get squeezed in, and still there's never enough space. On top of that, sudden rain or dust on the highway can ruin your luggage. That's where this 20 cubic feet waterproof car rooftop carrier bag comes in with massive storage capacity, waterproof coated zippers, and an included anti-slip mat. It keeps your belongings safe, dry, and secure, whether your car has a roof rack or not. It's the perfect travel companion that turns every trip into a stress-free journey. So if you want more space, more safety, and more peace of mind on every trip, this rooftop carrier bag is a must-have. Backhand index pointing right, check out the link in the description and make your next journey worry-free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews.